splat. Baby shark turns rainbow splat. Blue and red and green go wow. Oh no, no! What now? Kitty builds a bubble machine. Sparkly lights, rainbow beam. Baby shark jumps in with cheer. Best bubble party ever here. But suddenly pop, big surprise! A bubble hits his tiny eyes. Pop, 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 pop. What just hit TV shark? Can't believe it. First bubble turns him ocean blue. Baby shark says, is this true? So he looks like deep sea fish. Kitty laughs, make a wish. He tries to swim on floor instead, slipping, sliding on his bed. Second bubble pops out loud. Now he's red like spicy cloud. Baby shark starts spinning fast. Help me, Kitty, make it pass. He sneezes, pop, another hit. Now he's red and doing flicks. Sneak, 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 shake, shake. Green bubble falls from sky. Now he looks like jelly pie. Kitty says, oh, what a mix. Colors doing crazy tricks. Baby shark becomes rainbow bright, glowing in the dark at night. Suddenly the machine goes boom. Colors go bajnola mow. Kitty presses stop so fast. Yeah, bubble magic slows at last. Water splash, clean and bright. Baby shark turns normal light. Pop, 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 pop. Fight is done. Pop, 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 fun is done. Screambow chaos everyone. Kitty laughs, baby shark too. Rainbow fun for me and you. Kitty and Dino ready to play. Hide and seek the counting way. Numbers hiding, where can they be? Let's find them. 1, 2, 3. Count, 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 come along. Hide and seek number song. Grab Mr. 1, Mr. 1. Where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near one little tree. One jumps out, happily. Mr. 2, Mr. 2. Where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near two tiny shoes. Two pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Hiding near frame, bouncing bees. Hannibal Gershel bow. Mr. 5, Mr. 4, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 4 funny frogs. 4 jumps over logs. Mr. 5, Mr. 5, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 5 shiny stars. 5 waves from afar. Mr. 6, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Here I am, 6 silly sticks. 6 plays magic tricks. Mr. 7, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 7 volumes. Taven sings funny tunes. Mr. 8, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 8 top cakes. Malbud does silly shakes. Mr. 9, where are you? Let's find him. 1, 2, 3. Hiding near 9 toy cars. Dine zoom super far. Mr. 10, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 10 jungle drums. 10 go boom, 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 boom. 2 T 10 and G un. T and boom. Hide and seek none. Fun to do. Kitty and Dino clap and cheer. Let's count again right here. Count, count, 1 to 10. Play the number game again. Mr. 10, Mr. 1, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near 1 little tree. 1 jumps out happily. Mr. 10, Mr. 2, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near through tiny shoes. 2 pops out with funny moves. Mr. 3, where I move. Six, Mr. Six, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near six, silly sticks. Sticks plays magic tricks. Mr. Seven, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near seven balloons and sings funny tunes. Mr. Eight, where are you? It's time to 1, 2, 3, 7 sings funny tunes. Mr. Eight, where are you? 20 and lucky oat, the throat spin, bang does silly shakes. Mr. Nine, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo, hiding near 9 toy cars. Wow! Farm school opens today. Animals come to learn and play. But oh no, what do we see? No one knows behave properly. Oops, 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 what a show. Cow sits down. Whoa, cow sits down. Desk goes up like Teacher Kitty says, sit, please. Cow goes mute, I eat my cheese. Cow starts chewing desk instead. Books bounce over her head. Whoa, moo, sit, fit. Cow still chewing every bit. Pig enters with loud oink, oink. Slides on floor like splash, splink. He runs around the classroom fast. Breaks the chalk and laughs so fast. Kitty says, what, none. Pig says, just, this is fun. Oink, oink, oink. Slow, slow, slow. Pig is running like a show. Rooster jumps on teacher desk. Cock-a-doodle, super best. Kitty says, please. Rooster shouts, no, ease. Doorbell rings, but he rings more. Class becomes loud like roar. Cock-a-doodle, shh. Oh no. Rooster thinks rules are Sheep starts jumping on chair. Ba, 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 everywhere. Duck slides in with splash, splash. Ink spills in a colorful crash. Let Kitty shout, calm down now. But animals don't know how. Ba, 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 splash, splash, splash. Classroom turns into a crash. Goat enters, eats the board. Chalk table, everything ignored. He says, munch, munch, yummy, test. Kitty sighs, this is a mess. Munch, 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 stop, stop, stop. Goat is eating classroom shop. Kitty claps, listen all. Farm school is not a mall. She shows sit, walk quiet to her. Animals try to copy her too. Slowly, slowly they learn today. Behave is fun, they all say worry. Farm school now is fun and bright. Learning how to do things right. Moo, oink, ba, and cock-a-doodle too. Good behavior starts with you. Farm school, E-I-E-I-O. Now they know how to go, go, go. Go, 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 go. 5 skeletons were stealing eggs at night. They grabbed the eggs and ran out of sight. But Kitty woke up with glowing eyes. Hey, stop right there! She shouted in surprise. One got caught, poof, he's gone. Hit the rest ran fast before the dawn. Kitty called the inspector and inspector said, no more skeletons stealing eggs tonight. 4 skeletons came back again. Thinking they could steal like Ben 10. But Kitty was ready, quick and smart. down. Kitty said, "This is not your place." They ran away in a silly chase. Inspector came and clearly said, "No more stealing eggs tonight." Two skeletons came super slow, but Kitty said, "No, no, no." One got scared and ran away fast. The other didn't even last. New inspector arrived with warning light. Keep the eggs safe every night. One skeleton was stealing eggs alone, but Kitty was strong like stone. He saw her and started to flee. "No more eggs for me, I'm free." Kitty didn't even need to chase. Peace returned to Kitty's place. Inspector came and closed the case. All eggs safe, no more race. Eggs are safe, the farm is fine. Kitty did an awesome shine within, with happy meows and morning light. No
Look, more
more
eggs by the barn.
stealing eggs
Almost got 'em all.
tonight.
Into the basket.